Namaste, and welcome to our podcast, Decoding Emotions. I am sounding little sad today, as you all understand that today is going to be the last episode of this series, Decoding Emotions. Dil se thank you for everyone who has showered so much love on our episodes here in this series. And today we are concluding our series on the very special emotion which we all have in our day to day life, which is sadness. So let's talk about how to manage sadness and not overcome it, as we all know that managing emotions is the key to overcome them. So let's welcome again our guest, Karishma Udit Chhatrapati, a podcaster, an author, emotional wellness expert, and finally now a TEDx speaker. Very, very congratulations on your latest TEDx talk.
Thank you so much, Gunjan. And you know what I just love is that with these episodes, you now understand that we don't have to overcome emotions, we have to manage them. So, wow, it looks like someone has been paying a lot of attention.
Yeah, and I'm sure our viewers also think the same. And if yes, then do comment yes in our comment section. Yeah. So it's wonderful always to talk to you as always. And I look forward to this episode with my total commitment that what is going to be the outcome of this episode, because this feeling, this emotion is very common, very very common. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, यार क्या हो गया, तू दुखी क्यों है इतनी, why are you so sad today? तो वो शायद वो questions उनका हमें आंसर मिलने वाला है आज.
Absolutely, because sadness itself is such a powerful emotion. You know, we think powerful always is something positive, but sometimes even a negative can have a certain power over us. And kahin na kahin sadness is that power that we need to manage effectively.
I totally understand from where we are coming with this emotion, because so sadness एक ऐसी इमोशन है, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट कि एक ऐसी इमोशन है जो कि हमें हर टाइम पे कभी भी वी कैन स्टार्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग और स्टार्ट फीलिंग इट. एंड हमारी सोसाइटी में ना बहुत ज़्यादा इट इज़ बीइंग सेड that even if you're sad, it's okay, just show to be happy, just show to be happy. You can't express the sadness in front of anybody. This is a common grounds which we have brought up कि अरे क्या हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, चलो let's be okay. And nobody really talks about कि why you are sad. And even with this upbringing thing, I think we have lost a connection to ourselves, talking to ourselves that why I am sad. So
Exactly.
basically, I want to ask you that there can be a sadness when we have lost our loved ones, and there can be a sadness in a normal days also. So how a person should be treating herself or himself when he's experiencing through these two different kinds of scenarios and having a same emotion.
So, Gunjan, I'm so fascinated because through this journey, I feel you yourself are learning so much about emotions कि कहीं ना कहीं आपकी questions में आपकी answers भी आ रही हैं. And I'm really fascinated by that. You know, first thing, let me just address that sadness and grief are two things, are two different things. Sadness is a part of the grieving process, and हम लोग क्या करेंगे in season 2 we will definitely have one special episode on grief because that should be dealt with separately. And now since we're talking about sadness, let's go down to that particular emotion. Sadness में क्या होता है, feel it कि ऐसे ही in this moment bring something to your mind जिसमें आपको sadness महसूस होती है. It's a sinking feeling. ऐसा लगता है कि हम instead of expressing ourselves outwards, you want to go inwards. You want to hide yourself because you're feeling very small. you're feeling very tiny, you're feeling very bad about something. And उसमें क्या होता है? From the upward smile, it becomes a downward curve. There's a lot of pressure. Some people, when they become sad, have like pressure in their head. They feel pain somewhere or the other. So that is because you're feeling as if you're sinking, and जो आपकी बाहर की दुनिया में है, आप उसमें fit नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. You know, it's like, for instance, you're out on a sailboat and then you decide to swim. So those who are enjoying the swim will be like, waving their arms, swimming joyfully. But those who are sinking will go slowly, slowly, slowly inside. And that is what sadness is. The sinking feeling कि आप अंदर जा रहे हो क्योंकि आप अपने आप को बाहर पेश नहीं कर पा रहे हो.
That's such a beautiful explanation, and I think मैं तो ऐसे ही feel करती हूँ whenever I feel sad, and yes, it is a emotion. It is an emotion where we try to hide ourselves. We try to go away from everything, and yes, it is. And is it a right? Is it right thing or to do this? That whenever you are sad, you should sit alone, or you should do what to overcome it?
So I'll tell you, sadness, first let's just look at it, what I should do and then what you should do to help someone who's going through it. Let's divide this into two parts. So first, what I should do is, first I should accept I'm not okay. I'm feeling sad today. Then go into asking myself, why am I feeling sad today? Has someone said something? Has a memory triggered this? Am I losing faith in myself? Am I losing confidence? Do I feel I'm not good enough? Why am I feeling sad? Even if someone has triggered it, then because they said this, so I'm feeling sad. But it feels like there's a loss of some kind. So what have you lost? Why are you feeling this? Second question is that what can I do to feel better out of this? Would I like to call up and speak to somebody? Would I want to cry? Would I want to punch out the sadness on a pillow? Would I want to go and cook a meal? Would I want to clean up a drawer? Would I want to read a book? What would I want to do to lift myself out of the sinking feeling? And third is how. The how is I go out there and I do it. So once I figure out what, then don't sit over there and do nothing about it. Get up and do something about it. So this is how you need to manage sadness for yourself. Now coming to the second part, कि somebody is sad in your immediate surrounding, your child, your parent, your spouse. So the first important thing is, don't go and point your finger that अच्छा क्या हो गया, तुम इतना दुखी क्यों हो? That's like accusing them of being bad or being a misfit because they're feeling sad. Be compassionate. Speak to them compassionately. Say, is everything okay? You're not looking too happy today. Don't say you're looking sad. You're not looking happy. You're not looking like yourself today. You don't seem to be yourself. You've given them the authority to feel safe. And that is okay that they're going through whatever and they don't feel small. So they're not defensive. Then they'll say, ऐसे मुझे बात नहीं करना है. You say, okay, would you like your space? How can I help you right now? Maybe you want to give them a cup of tea. You want them to sit in silence. You ask them, how can you make them feel comfortable? They themselves will come out of this when they know that they can be comfortable being sad. Then they will want to come out because you have empowered them to be okay with themselves. So speak to them not in accusation. हमारा क्या है? When I'm saying, oh, तुम इतना दुखी हो, बाप रे अभी क्या हो गया उसको? That is a kind of approach that we have, that, oh my God, you're sad, you're sulking again. But it's natural, right? If something is not going right, you have your own way of dealing with it. You can sulk, you can be upset, you may want to hide yourself, you may want to go to the gym and punch it all out. But you have a right to be sad. So don't take that right from somebody because you don't like it.
That's such an important thing which we discussed right now, that yes, Of course, we should give a space. We should give the person a comfortable environment to deal with it. And right now, the I have seen it in my case also that even kids who are just 5 year old, they have started feeling this emotion of sadness. I think they're getting it from our environment or something, because they don't have much time to go out. They can't really go out and play and this and that, and they're all time being pressured with the studies and other tasks, and they also express that sadness. And maybe a lot of mothers still say that अरे ठीक है ना, चलो कोई बात नहीं, and not give this. So I hope this reach to as many people as possible, that we can give the safe environment to such a healthy and make this a healthy emotion.
Yes, allow people to express it. Like if you have a child who's feeling sad, why not give that child some colors and ask that child to draw whatever comes to mind at that point. वही paper पर you'll come to know what that child is feeling, because you'll be able to make a, there's a beautiful part of creative art therapy जिसको हम metaphor therapy कहते हैं. And I have worked with a lot of children using metaphor therapy, even adults, जहाँ पे whatever they have drawn and sketched, उससे आपको पता चलता है what they're feeling, the colors, so you also need to make an attempt, because ये नहीं है कि if you're qualified as a psychologist then only you can figure it out. You go to an art gallery, you've already made a story about the artist, so try to make that up to understand your child, and don't make them feel bad about feeling sad. Let them feel it's okay to be with that emotion, but ask them कि बेटा क्या हो गया आज, आपको किसी चीज का आपको बुरा लगा है, किसी ने कुछ कहा आपको, आप मम्मा को बता सकते हैं, आप पापा को बता सकते हैं, आप दादी को बता सकते हैं. Give them an outlet to feel safe to express that, because they're feeling small. And today's children are a part of so much of competition कि instead of playing in the field, they're running from one class to the other. Do they like that class? No, it's more about the mother finding it convenient than the child being interested in it. So today's children are far more sadder than yesterday's children were, because we were given choices and we were not overwhelmed by so much. कि वो बच्चा जा रहा है, पता है मिस्टर सो एंड सो की जो बच्चे हैं ना वो 10 क्लास में जा रहे हैं, हमारे सिर्फ 7 क्लास में जा रहे हैं, अभी 3 और क्लास में लगाना है. That child will be sad.
So true. So true. So, just I want to ask you from a point of view of more like from your expert opinion, how this sadness, how do someone from a point of view of understand that okay, this is a part of something which I deal daily or I deal sometimes, and this is the part of emotion which I'll be able to manage, versus a feeling which in a clinical terms is known as clinical depression, where the person is sad, feeling the same. I'm not sure how they feel in that, but uh, what is the difference, how to know from a point of view of oneself, and how if we are seeing somebody and how to understand that it is something that we need to seek an expert guidance.
That's a beautiful question. And like when we started off, we dealt with sadness and grief, though I did not go into detail of that. Now, sadness and depression. Again, sadness is an emotion associated to depression. But depression is far more serious, because it's not just a sinking feeling and something that can be self-managed. It is something that needs management vis-a-vis expert help. And when it comes to clinical depression, then you also need psychiatric help, where medications are concerned, along with counseling and things like cognitive behavioral therapy, etc. But sadness and sinking is a part of that entire gambit. To know the difference, whether a person is just being sad in the moment or something has happened, vis-a-vis actually being depressed, is that when you are depressed, you can't function at all. You can't come out of it. The whole world seems as if it's gray and black and shades of really depressing blue. Like when the monsoon's first few days change, अरे वाह हवा में change हो गया है, monsoons, and suddenly that gloominess does not allow you to want to do anything. So that level of gloominess कि जिसमें आप दब गए हो, आप खुद को उठा नहीं पाते हो, दैट इज डिप्रेशन. बट सैडनेस ऐसा होता है कि एक सिंकिंग फीलिंग है, बट आई कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट if I speak to somebody, if I work on it through journaling, if I create something, if I take up a task, and I don't need additional help because it is not a clinical situation, it is not a chronic issue, it is just a situational issue. कि यार आज किसी ने मुझे टीज किया है, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी सैड बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्मॉल. सिंकिंग फीलिंग है कि मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि आई कुड टेल देम. मेरा बाउंड्रीज नहीं है. इवन बाउंड्री लिसनेस, that is not having boundaries, can make people very sad.
Yeah, that's so true, and that often we have encountered in a workplace, even people who go out and work with the teams. So yeah, they try to be too much accommodative with the team sometimes, and then they suddenly become sad and not getting the results, and that happens at a very much professional side of the person.